Choosing the right robot vacuum can save you hours of cleaning and keep your home effortlessly tidy. So in this video, we've done thorough research to bring you the top 6 best robot vacuums for this year. The problem is finding the ideal robot vacuum can be a bit tricky. What works great for your apartment might not be the best for a larger home, as robot vacuums are designed with different needs in mind. That's why we've included options for all types of budgets and usage scenarios. Just make sure to follow the links in the description below this video, as they will take you to the best deals for every product. Our list is in no particular order, so make sure to watch till the end to catch all the details. First up, we have the iRobot Roomba Vac Essential, our choice for the best robot vacuum for carpet and hard floors. If you're looking for an affordable, no-fuss solution to keep your floors tidy, this model delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. It features a 3-stage cleaning system that includes 3 levels of suction power, a V-shaped roller brush, and an edge-sweeping side brush, making it effective on both carpets and hard floors. The Roomba Vac Essential uses smart navigation to clean in neat, methodical rows, avoiding obstacles and preventing falls with its cliff sensors. Its compact design, measuring 12.5 inches in diameter and 3.25 inches tall, allows it to clean under furniture with ease. The vacuum offers up to 120 minutes of runtime on a single charge, and it automatically returns to its charging dock when the battery is low. Controlling the Roomba Vac Essential is straightforward with the iRobot Home app, which lets you start, stop, and schedule cleanings from your smartphone. It's also compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control. While it lacks advanced features like room mapping or self-emptying, its simplicity and reliability make it a great entry-level choice for those new to robot vacuums or anyone seeking an affordable cleaning assistant. Next, we have the Eufy L60 with self-empty station, our choice for the best robot vacuum for pet hair. If you're tired of constantly emptying your vacuum's dustbin, this model offers a solution with its 2.5-litre self-emptying station, allowing up to 60 days of maintenance-free cleaning. With a powerful 5,000 Pascal suction and Boost IQ technology, it automatically adjusts suction power based on floor type, ensuring efficient cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. The L60 utilizes iPath laser navigation and AI Map 2.0 to create precise maps of your home, enabling efficient cleaning routes and the ability to set virtual boundaries or no-go zones. Its infrared sensors help it navigate around obstacles, although it may occasionally bump into objects like chair legs. The vacuum's compact design allows it to clean under furniture easily, and its ability to climb over thresholds up to 20 mm ensures comprehensive coverage. Maintenance is simplified with the self-empty station's hair detangling technology, which cuts through hair wrapped around the roller brush, reducing the need for manual cleaning. The Eufy Clean app enhances user experience by allowing you to schedule cleanings, set cleaning modes, and monitor the vacuum's progress in real time. With a battery life of up to 120 minutes, the Eufy L60 with self-empty station offers a convenient and efficient cleaning solution for busy households. Next on our list is the Roborock Q5 Max Plus, our choice for the best robot vacuum for large houses. If you're seeking a reliable cleaning companion that doesn't break the bank, the Q5 Max Plus offers impressive performance and convenience. With its powerful suction and smart navigation, it's designed to handle daily cleaning tasks with ease. The Q5 Max Plus boasts a robust 5,500 Pascal suction power, effectively capturing dust, debris, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. Its LiDAR navigation system ensures precise mapping and efficient cleaning routes, allowing it to navigate around furniture and avoid obstacles seamlessly. The self-emptying dock is a standout feature, automatically transferring collected dirt into a larger bin, reducing the frequency of manual emptying and making maintenance a breeze. While it doesn't include a mopping function, the Q5 Max Plus compensates with its user-friendly app, offering customizable cleaning schedules and zone-specific cleaning. The vacuum's slim design enables it to clean under low furniture, reaching areas that are often missed. Overall, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus delivers exceptional value for its price, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable and efficient robot vacuum. Next, we have the UFi 11S Max Robot Vacuum, our pick for the best compact robot vacuum for tight spaces. If you're looking for a no-fuss cleaning companion that gets the job done without the bells and whistles, the 11S Max is a standout. With 2,000 pascal of suction power and a slim 2.85-inch profile, it effortlessly glides under furniture and tackles pet hair, crumbs and dust on both hard floors and low to medium pile carpets. Its Boost IQ technology automatically increases suction when extra strength is needed, ensuring a thorough clean every time. What sets the 11S Max apart is its simplicity. There's no need for Wi-Fi or a smartphone app. Instead, it comes with a remote control that allows you to schedule cleanings and switch between modes like Auto, Edge, and Spot Clean. It's also impressively quiet, operating at around 55 decibels, quiet enough to run during a Zoom call or while watching TV. The 600 milliliters dust bin holds a generous amount of debris, and the 100-minute battery life means it can cover a good portion of your home before needing a recharge. Plus, it automatically returns to its charging base when the battery is low. Design-wise, the 11S Max is sleek and unobtrusive, with a tempered glass top that resists scratches. It's also built to last, with replaceable parts like the battery and wheels, making maintenance straightforward. If you're in the market for a reliable robot vacuum that won't break the bank, the UFi 11S Max is definitely worth considering. Before we move on, you may notice that we don't include the exact price of the products mentioned in this video. That's because prices of these robot vacuum change frequently with sales and general price drops. So, if you want the most up-to-date pricing, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Next on our list is the Leifand M210 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, our pick for the best budget robot vacuum. This compact device packs a punch with its 2,000 pascals suction power, making it highly effective at picking up pet hair, dust and debris from both hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its brushless suction design prevents hair tangling, a common issue with traditional roller brushes, making it an excellent choice for households with furry friends. With a slim profile measuring just under 3 inches in height, the M210 can easily navigate under furniture and tight spaces, ensuring a thorough clean throughout your home. The Leifand M210 offers 6 cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, Zigzag, Scheduled, and Manual, providing flexibility to tackle various cleaning needs. Equipped with over 25 advanced sensors, it intelligently avoids obstacles and prevents falls downstairs, ensuring safe and efficient operation. The 500 milliliters dustbin reduces the frequency of emptying, allowing for extended cleaning sessions. Users can control the vacuum via the Leifand app or through voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant, making it convenient to schedule cleanings or adjust settings on the go. With a runtime of up to 120 minutes on a single charge, the M210 is capable of cleaning multiple rooms before automatically returning to its charging dock. Its quiet operation ensures minimal disruption, making it suitable for homes with children or pets. Lastly, we have the Ecovacs D-Bot T30S Combo, our choice for the best all-in-one robot vacuum. This powerhouse combines a high-performance robot vacuum with a detachable handheld unit, making it perfect for tackling everything from floors to furniture. With a suction power of up to 11,000 pascal, it effortlessly lifts dirt, debris, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. The included handheld vacuum is ideal for stairs, upholstery, and tight corners, ensuring no spot is left untouched. Both units benefit from the Omni Station, which handles self-emptying, mop washing, and drying, streamlining your cleaning routine. The D-Bot T30S Combo is equipped with advanced features like true mapping navigation for precise room mapping and obstacle avoidance. Its Truge technology allows the mop to reach edges and corners effectively, while the zero-tangle brush design minimizes hair entanglement. The companion app offers intuitive control, allowing you to set cleaning schedules, define no-go zones, and monitor progress in real time. Additionally, the robot supports voice control and even foot-activated operation for added convenience. While the Dbot T30S combo comes at a premium price point, it offers exceptional value by combining multiple cleaning functions into one device. Its robust performance, intelligent features, and user-friendly design make it a top choice for those seeking a comprehensive cleaning solution. If you're looking to invest in a versatile and efficient cleaning system, the Dbot T30S combo is certainly worth considering. Make sure to check the description for links to all the robot vacuum we mentioned in this video, which will give you the best discounts. To see the best power banks of this year, click on this video. And if you learned anything on this one, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Top Tech Picks. Drop your comment below and thank you for watching.